brother, don't be doing that shit. You're already tired, ain't you? We are on our way to a TA in Unisnea, Arkansas. I can't pronounce it. But we're going to sit there anyway, try to make it there and spend the night. Scooter just ran his butt off. He's all wore out now, but we're going to head that way. We just got parked. We're here at a TA. We're about to go in here and get us some Bojangles chicken. Scooter wants some French fries. We're about to come in here. It's a pretty new TA. And now we wait for our chicken. 12-piece tenders. Well, I got this family size Bojangles. You hungry, Scooter? Huh? Scooter? You hungry? You smell them French fries? Huh? Smell that chicken? Huh? You're hungry, ain't you? I gotta feed the dog. You gonna lay around all day? They're unloading it. I'm gonna go ahead and put my depart receiver in, and maybe I can get a load before he's done. I sure do want one of those. Look at them all. I guarantee you not one of them got my name on it. I don't mind telling you, I'm not too proud. It's hot out there. I don't know how hot it is, but it's too hot to be tarping, I can tell you that much. It's alright. It's what happens when you pull in ugly. it's done. I'm about to go right over there. I'm hoping that they got them showers ready now. They have been remodeling. So we're gonna leave the trailer here and we'll come back in the morning and pick it up. How long are you gonna sniff that rock? Every time I come here, I keep hoping that something's going on over there so I can walk across the road. But it never happens. Maybe one day. One day I'll be able to go over there. Anybody know what that is? Well, we're just waiting for these guys at the fuel pump that are hogging it to get out of the way.
You could check. He stomped on him. Oh, that was. Y'all, I'm going to hell, ain't I? But you can't tell me that was funny. So anyway, Walmart had these on clearance for 50 cents, and I bought almost every one of them.
I just watching my friend on YouTube, Trucker Tammy. She's if you don't hang her, if you need to check her out, she's really good. She's got a lot of info in there, a lot of info in them videos, and she will help you out. She's a lot better answering comments than I am. I don't know, that's one of the hardest things for me to do. I'll see, and so I'll answer in a little bit. Next thing I know, it's 2 weeks later, and I do apologize for that. Just things start going on, and well, I forget, you know. So if it takes me a while to get back to you, I really am sorry. It's fine. I'd rather just go through Houston than have to go through Dallas. Was it Dallas, Waco, New Braunfels, San Marcos, Austin, and then San Antonio? I mean, that whole stretch through there, man, is nothing but a headache. So I'm sticking with this route. For some reason, I was thinking I was going through Dallas. Thank God I'm not. Up this load. Get on down to Ingleside, Texas, down by Corpus, and try to get us another load. We got 2 hours to go, so I guess we might as well get to it.
You in the right spot?
I think so. I'm trying to reach a Johnny Posas.
Let me see.
Hey boss, I'm gonna take off. I'll be right back.
Okay. Coonrod's here. You're in the right spot.
Yeah, I'm trying to reach this guy. So
You don't have to reach anybody. I just send you to over there and you talk to receiving.
okay, so just go around here.
Yeah, just park right there by the stop sign and I'll sign you in. You know what? I can sign you in right here. Hold on.
Okay.
You sign you right here and then I'll get your plate number. And then when you go in, go straight down to the right and you'll see a blue dumpster and park next to it.
Okay, park next.
You have a hard hat, right?
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Well, this is going to be a little tricky, I guess. Brother, don't be doing that shit.
How you doing?
You Johnny?
No. He'll be here. I just got a hold of him.
Oh, did you? Okay,
He's
guy.
coming up here.
I left a message, but that's all that you kept going to his voicemail.
He never answers.
Oh, okay.
I said, hang tight right here. They'll be with you.
Am I in the way?
How you good?
Oh, good. Okay. I didn't want to block up that driveway back there.
Yeah, no. He'll be here shortly.
All right, thank you. How you doing? You Johnny?
No.
No.
I'm Nick.
Nick. All right.
So you're gonna have to come around this module, come back around, come back out. We'll meet you at the end of the road. We're gonna take you to a different location.
Okay. So just make this big loop
Yes, sir.
and come back out on the road where I was.
Yes, sir.
You got a whole lot of work going on here, don't they? Anybody living in the Corpus area, need a job, you might be able to get one out here. I tell you what, these suckers on these damn little cars need to slow the hell down. They got spotters on the back of their safety vest. They can't even spot this big ass truck behind them. I drove all the way up to this this new plant they're building, and then they I called them because I'm not really for sure if I'm at the right place. Turns out I was at the right place, but he couldn't make up his mind whether he wanted to unload me there or someplace else. So finally, about 20 minutes later, well, we're just going to go take you down to another little place. So, all right, well, whatever. That little place turned out being 30 miles. Well, in fact, it was like 33 miles. And then I get here and they finally unload. Well, now they don't even know if it's their product. They're acting like, well, this ain't even ours. You know, what is this stuff? This ain't nothing we ordered. And so they had to wait for them to dig around. Oh yeah, well that goes for another job, but it must be an early delivery.